What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something different. It's a podcast. Basically, we just sit and talk about random shit. So yeah, Srujan,
Yeah, yeah, hello.
say hi to the
We are
subscribers.
just fantasizing about all the stuff we can't buy or even touch.
Classic
Yeah.
Srujan, right there. Okay. So today we don't have Someboy with us. Bummer.
Papa.
Papa, it's in. So first topic. Okay. First thing is about my YouTube channel. So yeah, what happened the
It's
last
dead.
time?
It's dead. It's pretty much dead.
Okay, let's be real. The last video that we posted didn't do well. It's still in 80, 90 views, I guess. I'm not sure, isn't it?
My friend gets more views than you by begging. You know,
At least I don't beg.
like he
Okay.
just goes on WhatsApp and Instagram,
Okay.
social networks and stuff, and he just like, please friends, share this. Please friends,
Okay.
watch
Wait,
this.
wait, wait, wait. At least I don't beg for views. Okay, I got those 90 views purely by people seeing it.
Coincidence.
Not a coincidence.
Coincidence.
I got 1,000 views in a
They
different video. How
misclicked
do you
it.
think I got that?
They misclicked your video on your video.
No. There's watch time is much higher than just a click. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So people were wondering why that is actually a thing. I have no idea. I just randomly got less views. I don't know how this makes sense, right?
No, I think it's like everyone just is like over you. Like your videos are not on top of the subscription thing, subscription section.
I guess.
Someone else will come out, and they just lost interest in you.
Nah, that is.
Okay.
I don't think it's interesting because if they lose the interest, what would be the reason of losing the interest?
You like I guess they forgot about you. Like they ever subscribed to you.
Nah, if that's the thing, they will be getting notifications, right? They will be subscribed and possibly
They
getting
should press the bell button. That bell button, nah.
but I'm pretty sure a lot of people would have done that, right?
In whoever I subscribe, I never did that bell thing. You know,
So culprits like you are the reason why I'm not getting views, huh?
and not only me. Like, why do you think big YouTubers beg like, do this, press that bell icon
Oh God.
for this shit only. Like, no one does that.
Yeah,
Like those
to be fair, a lot of people do that. A lot of people
fans,
like.
like hardcore fans, means like mid tier fans.
Well, people like me always put the bell icon if I like the channel. I don't
Yeah,
see
that's
if.
only nah.
Now, I'm not a fan of the channel, but I want to get content from them. That is.
Oh,
Yeah, that is weird, right?
yeah. Like for me, it's like like if I really want them, I really want their channel. Like I really like their channel, then only I will do that notification thing.
Yeah. But.
It's normally like if I do that, like bell notification, they will spam my email, my note,
Yeah,
my that.
that is a big problem because our phones get
Yeah,
spammed like hell. Especially when you get up in the morning and turn on your phone, you just see a list of subscription videos, recommendations of all that random shit, right?
I don't like. You can give me in YouTube notifications, right? Why do you have to spam my email?
Yeah, that email is also a thing. I think you can unsubscribe from like the email
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, I can.
Why didn't you do that?
I recently found out that you can do that.
Well, you didn't know that
Like
it's
3 to
compulsory to
4 months
have.
ago. I never looked into that fine prints and stuff.
Well,
Just
it's a
like,
compulsory thing that every Gmail has an unsubscribe thing
yeah.
on the
I
thing.
know.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So yeah, well that
My fault. I know it's my fault.
yeah. Okay, next up, COVID-19. Yeah,
Hey, that COVID word will make your video demonetized.
who cares? I don't get any money from this anyway.
And it will not be recommended, see.
Oh really?
Yeah, they were saying like that's why most of the big YouTubers and all are doing that beeping the COVID stuff, and they are not talking about COVID. They just like that pandemic and some stuff like that they were
So
saying instead
why
of COVID.
would YouTube do that?
Fake information.
But dude, there should be more like awareness of this thing, right? If they block COVID thing, no one will talk about it. I mean, it's
No, like
less
if
awareness.
you are educational, like if you have that tag of educational in your video,
Yeah,
then only I guess it's not like not that doesn't do like that stuff.
but still, everyone talking about it will give it a more like awareness kind of thingy, right? Because now look at India,
But
a lot of,
but if they do that, nah, those fake stuff also will come, nah.
but it's better to have more awareness than anything, right? Like look at India right now; it's in the top position of the highest COVID cases per day. Have you seen that?
Really? US we overtook US.
No, no, no. It's not like overall, like per day cases.
Uh,
Let me just check that. Wait. Let me just check that. Co. Wait, why am I not typing? Okay, so I'm putting COVID case. Can you see my screen?
yeah, I'm seeing, I'm seeing.
Where is that live meter? Yeah.
Hey, first is only then go.
Nah, I just like this more. Now look at this chart. See here?
You like this Excel stuff,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But
spreadsheet stuff.
it's showing way more. Okay, let's just stop with that. Oh my god, India's in second place. I didn't even notice that. And
India,
yeah, India,
we are
yeah,
going
second place. You are going for the first place.
America.
So, can you see that?
Yeah,
86,000 cases
80,
per day. That
yeah.
is wow. No other country has so much, man. Wow, actually seeing this for the first time. Wow.
No, like once it gets into like rural places, right?
Yeah.
Then it's gonna like it's gonna spread like wildfire.
No, the thing is, people in India, especially in Bangalore, if you see, people are like, oh, COVID is gone, it's going down, it's nothing, no problem. That is how they are being right now. But see this, 86,000 cases per day.
Yeah, I know. Like, bro, that 86,000, nah.
Yeah.
More than half of this will be coming from rural places.
Yeah, but people don't know
But
that they are like, if COVID
yeah,
is going away, they have no idea what the hell is going on right now.
yeah.
For example, exams are going on here. You know that?
Hey, in this September 31st, our college will start, you know.
September 31st, that is September 30 is the last.
Sorry, sorry, yeah, 30, yeah. September, America. Our example is America. We have to overtake them.
Oh, God.
For now, they are our role model.
Oh,
Next, they will become our rival.
oh God.
Sorry, no, wait.
Wait, what? Nah, just
First, they were our role model. Like we have to become like USA.
okay. Let's just leave this
Now they are
because
become rival.
we are wasting too much time on this, right? Okay, let's just stop. Okay, people, just be safe. India's nowhere close to being safe. It's like 90,000 per day. So yeah, just stay home, be safe.
If you
Okay,
wanted India to become like America,
wait 1 second. I
this
think
is
my
the time.
phone stopped recording. Why is? Yep, my phone stopped recording.
Lol. Good job.
Wait, let me fix this. Why did it stop recording? Okay, next topic. PS5 and Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S. What is your thoughts about it?
I don't have much because I don't own like I never owned a console. other than Nintendo DS Lite.
Okay, my
If
phone
you
stopped
think it's a
recording again. Wait.
console,
My phone stopped recording again. Why is it doing this? Your device is overheating. Oh my god. Okay, let's continue. Xbox Series X. You have seen the price?
actually no. I just saw that mini version, like less, what do you call, diskless version of Series X.
That is Series S.
Huh?
Yeah, it's called Series S.
They should have just stick to a name and like minus, normal, plus, and next 2 to 3 after 2 to 3 years, Pro. They should have done that. Same scheme.
So Xbox is now like $299 for the cheaper version.
Diskless version.
Yeah, but it's
Yeah.
technically not only diskless version, it is much more like weaker than a PlayStation 5.
Yeah.
It's only
No.
like 4 teraflops.
Yeah.
So in teraflops wise, it's technically weaker than Xbox One X, but it's not. It's like a new architecture with the old one comparison, not really fair. Even though the old one is 6 teraflops, it's still slower than a 4 teraflops of the current generation. So
I guess like 30 series and 20 series of GTX Nvidia.
not really sure. I think it'll
Like
be more
can't
powerful.
compare, nah. Like they both have different architecture.
Yeah,
Sorry,
it's
Intel and Ryzen. Yeah, Intel and AMD
so the
processors.
thing
It's like
is
that.
the Series X, I mean the Series
Hmm.
S, the
Hmm.
names are so confusing.
It's mouthful.
Yeah.
Series X.
Okay, the
Series S.
Series S with 4 teraflops, it's very hard to tell how powerful it's going to be, how capable it's going to be. They told it's going to be 1440p, like with 120 FPS, I believe. Yeah.
Yeah, 120 FPS.
It is higher than, the last generation PS4 Slim, but that was much weaker. PS4 Pro was able to do 1440p, which was not able to do 4K in most of the games, only some games. So PS5, we don't really know the price of that, but Series X is going to be $500, which is fair price, I guess.
Yeah, like last generation also was like around that only, na.
Now the last generation was the same price as Xbox. Like Xbox are literally the same price. They launched Xbox One for $499. So it's literally the same price as the last gen. That is actually very surprising.
Yeah.
I thought it'll be at least 600, at least the Xbox, because PlayStation was launched at $399, which is $100 cheaper than an Xbox. So I wonder if Sony is gonna go with the same plan and launch it at the same price as they did with their PS4. $400 PS5. That'd be great, right?
Yeah.
If you
It's great.
if you compare this to a PC, this is much better value. Imagine if you need to get the power of the PS5 or the Xbox Series X, you have to spend over $1,000. That is not easy.
No, it depends, da. Like if you only want games and stuff, obviously consoles are better. Like price wise, it's better.
But see, if people are gonna buy gaming graphics cards and all that, they're obviously gonna use it for gaming. So it is a question if you can go with PC or
Bro, not necessarily.
like how.
Like they have like gaming as a hobby and other stuff like video editing and stuff.
Bro, video editing can also be done at 1050, 1050 Ti, 1060. These are much like more than enough to basic video editing and stuff.
Yeah.
So the
Like,
thing is,
we don't know like other stuff like Bitcoin mining, not Bitcoin. What do you call that? Number crunching and stuff.
okay,
Like
okay, see this.
homemade
So
servers and stuff.
you have seen Last of Us Part 2, right? The graphics of the Last of Us Part 2.
No.
You have not seen the graphics of the
Yeah,
last,
I saw the gameplay, but I don't saw the
but you
any
know the
story.
graphics, right?
Yeah.
So that game was running in 1440p, in 1440p,
Mm.
or your accent is, in
Mm.
PS4 Pro,
Mm.
which, if you see the graphics, it looks so realistic. So many places, the game was so well made. But if you see
Mm.
the specifications of the PS4 Pro with a PC,
Mm.
it's
Yeah,
just
yeah,
as
yeah.
powerful as 1060, which is nothing in a PC. If
No, it's
1060 can't
it,
run
no,
nothing in
no,
a PC like
no,
that.
can't compare it like that. Like one, like for PC, they're gonna make it for AMD, this Intel, and every
That is
stuff
what I
like
mean.
that
That is
with
what I
the
mean. Buying a
configurations.
console, buying a
Like you have
console
to
is much
generalize.
more. Okay, we are just
No, no,
hold
no,
on.
no. Like you have to generalize the code.
I
You
know, I
have to
know, no.
generalize the gameplay, so it becomes much less
I know
what do you
that.
call it,
That's what I'm saying. Buying
efficient.
a console is much more like money saving than a PC if you're playing only games. Obviously, if you're a
Yeah, yeah.
YouTuber, want to edit videos, or video content creator or anything, you have to need a PC. But when you
Yeah.
need high quality games, a console
Hmm.
like PS5 and Xbox Series X
Yeah.
gives so much
It's
value. It's only
it's
$500 for
like
a
you don't need,
$1,000 PC or
if you
something
only
like.
want gaming, you don't want any PCs and stuff. If you are only want games and stuff.
Your audio is cutting off.
Hello?
Yeah. I can hear you now.
Yeah, like you don't want PCs for just for gaming. You can just buy this what do you call, consoles and stuff.
Yeah. Also, according to the leaks, I think, I don't know, I'm not sure. PS5 is
Mhm.
gonna include a video editor built in the console. So yeah, this
Oh,
is a big thing because
yeah, it will change. It will
especially
change
for
most streamers.
streamers, if you see,
Yeah,
it'll be much more easier and more capabilities, that lot of things that they
cost
can do.
saving
And
is
not only
much.
that, you can just record a video, cut it here and there, do basic editing, and just post it in your YouTube. Because who cares about
Yeah,
like deep editings and stuff when you don't have millions of subscribers, right? You can just post a video,
yeah.
basic editing, that people can just
You
see.
saw
And
my video. Like I
yeah,
uploaded. Yeah, this. No audio, no nothing.
yeah, why? We could get, I
Just
guess we could talk about that.
48 minutes. 48 minutes of video just dumped there.
Why did you not put any audio in your video?
It was too much work.
Oh my god. Okay, let's just move on. It's too much time talking about it. Yeah, I wanted to talk about
Yeah.
this PUBG ripoff. Fauji.
Yeah, sure. Wait, I will just open it on my
Wait,
PC.
wait, Fauji.
Spell it out?
See that? So
Spell
this
it out,
is,
spell it out.
you can't see my screen.
No, like it's low definition, no?
Okay, shall I cut off the video stream then?
No, it's like if you what do you call? It's not like, how do I say it?
You can't see the text.
Yeah, but
Okay.
I can understand the context and stuff
Okay.
better if you share.
Okay. If you see this, if you put Fauji in Bing, why am I in Bing? Where is Google? Google. Oh, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Oh my god. No.
Yeah,
Let me search for
yeah.
Google in Bing.
Yeah.
To be fair, Microsoft Edge is like a lot improved, compared to Explorer.
No, just spell it out. FUG.
FAUG.
FAUG, huh?
Yeah.
I thought FUG.
No. See, the first thing that you put and go to the news tab, as Akshay Kumar announces Fauji, Babuji to Fauji memes. That is just memes everywhere about this game. Why would they keep that name? Fauji.
No, I'll. If you like, you just have to add a C instead of that dash. That minus is there now.
Yeah.
you'll know what it is.
I know it's has a completely different meaning in Hindi.
What is that?
I'm not really sure, but it's like something a tribute to the Indian soldiers, I guess. But here's the thing. Here's the thing. They are saying this game is gonna give tribute to the Indian soldiers, but you can see that poster, right?
Wait.
Just go to Google Images,
Yeah.
type Fauji, then
Yeah, they just photoshopped the Indian flag on their.
yeah, these are US soldiers, first of all. These are US soldiers. They slapped in the Indian badge on them and put a
Second
Fauji,
of all,
and
India
they
doesn't have that much budget to spend on battle gear.
see the thing is they are calling this game, making this game a nationalism thing. They are saying it's a tribute to our soldiers. They
Wait,
then
wait,
what kind of
is
tribute
this
is
published
it?
by Activision?
What?
Is this published by Activision?
What? Fauji?
Yeah.
No, it's made by Enco Games. It's in Bangalore.
Go to the Google Images.
Yeah.
In the second picture, there's a what do you call? Play Store things.
Nah, it's fake, man.
Fake, huh?
Yeah, it's fake. It's
That's
been
what-
completely made in India. That's what they say. But I'm saying they're not making this game in India. There is no way they're launching this game in October by making it over here. Like, imagine they don't even have a game to show. That is why they took a stock photo of US soldiers slapped in Indian badge and calling it
Yeah.
Fauji, which means they have nothing to show right now. They don't have anything. They're just probably just starting the codes of the game right now.
It's called scamming, dude. It's called scamming.
It's not even a scam, dude. It's like, first of all, they're ripping off a game and they're using
Yeah.
nationalism to promote it, and people are actually like liking this. Like, how can people like this, man?
Eh, you don't know about nationalism and stuff, you know.
What nationalism? Take us a
How
US soldier
powerful it
photo
is.
and put an
How
Indian
powerful
flag
it
and
is. Like
say it's
how you
nationalism.
can manipulate mobs and stuff with this thing.
Nah,
Nationalism
in
and stuff.
India, how to become a successful game company? Make a good game?
Yes.
Nah, no. Don't make a good game. Make a shittiest game possible. Slap an Indian flag. There you go. Done. You are like the biggest Indian game maker.
Make Pakistani and China as enemy
Yeah. Put Pakistan on the bad side.
and share it in WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Facebook.
WhatsApp, Facebook, and yeah, if you don't chat, you will die.
Huh?
If you don't chat this, you will die.
Yeah. No. If you don't share this, you are not a Indian.
Ah, God.
And also paste what Hinduism on top of that religion.
No, I just hate this stuff, man. Religion, nationalism, all that shit. Why can't, if they see these people are like, there is one person, a girl who actually texted me on Instagram after seeing my story. Did you see my story in my Instagram?
No.
Actually, so basically what I put was, these people can't even make their own poster or something like that. So this girl actually texted me saying, it's a nationalism thing. It's good. She will support this because it's made in India. Okay, fine. It's good thing you're supporting it because it's made in India. But the thing is, I highly doubt if the game is made in India. On top of that, they have nothing to show, which means they don't have a game. It's
No. Like
I'm pretty
how
sure they're
can I
buying this
say this?
game from a different company, man. They're definitely buying this game from a different company.
No, they're just licensing. They will just license the game from China.
That is exactly what I'm saying. They're gonna buy the codes from China or any other country. Just
They
lap.
say that buy Lava Mobile. What was that? What do you call that? Handprint was there now. Microsoft, sorry.
Micromax.
Yeah. Those are all rebranded mobiles only, na?
Yeah, everything is rebranded. So
Rebranded
Fauji is basically gonna be a rebrand because there is just
Yeah.
no way they can launch the game by October. It's humanly impossible to make a game in such a short period of time. It
No,
took
like
it took
they
2 years
can
to
make
make
it.
PUBG. No, it took 2 years to make PUBG. Do you know that?
No. Like if you are in PC, you can make it. As there are many codes out there, like free open source
No, no,
stuff.
no. See. Yes, that is possible. Yeah, but
Yeah,
you know how
but
these
on mobile you can't.
like technically we can, but here's the thing. These people are saying this game
You
is
need a
completely
team.
developed by them. Like how many? Like 10 to 15 people. I think they work at Encore Games. These people, they are telling they are going to launch this game by October by
Yeah.
themselves, scratch, fully made in India. But they don't even have a poster to show us. How do you think that is possible? They're definitely buying the game from different company, and these people
No,
are
bro.
telling
No,
they're
okay.
supporting this
No,
game
no,
as
no.
a nationalism thing.
Wait. Let us assume they will make it.
Yeah, okay.
How do you know that it is like good? At least playable.
It's not gonna be playable, man. Let's be honest. No
Not
matter.
just shoot some tree and it will bounce back to somewhere else and you will just die.
I'm
Randomly just
I'm gonna
die.
tell you the game is not gonna be playable. It's gonna be very bad. It's not gonna be something that you can just play daily.
I guess they'll just make it single player.
Nah, it is a battle royale game, I guess. No, I don't think it's battle royale. It's like Call of Duty.
Yeah.
It's basically a Call of Duty, PUBG merge kind of thing, but it's in India.
I hate this kind of nationalism. Like, okay, you can make it, then make it. Don't like just
See,
rebrand because of that.
See, the thing is, let them make whatever the games they want. The problem
Hmm.
is, people are actually supporting this in the name of nationalism. You know, this girl that texted me, she's like, this is your opinion, this is my opinion. You can be whatever you are. I'm gonna support 4G. Like, dude, you have to understand this game is not made in India. They're buying this game from a different place. If they make this game right now, fully here,
Yeah.
it's not gonna be playable. It's never gonna be playable. At least a year or two it's gonna take so much time to make a fully stable game, and I
And
highly doubt
they're
they're gonna
go
make it.
no, and again, they're just gonna have like 10 to 15 people in their like team.
Yeah, I think Enco Games has like a 15 people in it.
You need at least 80, 50 people to make a
Actually,
good game.
even that is also not required. You see, I'll show you a proof. Have you seen Rogue Nations? Rogue Nation, I guess. Wait, let me just search that. Rogue Nation. I'm not really sure the name of. No, it's not Rogue Nation. I don't know the name of the game, but it was completely made in India. Like it's available in Steam right now for free. It's a free to play game.
Uh,
It's fully made in India.
uh,
It's I think the development started at 2018 and they made a fully playable game at 2019. They left it as a free beta testing kind of thing in Steam. Anyone can download it and play, but the game is fully not finished yet, even till now.
yeah.
Even though it's like 15 people are working for at the game. But here's the thing, these people took 2 years for making this game and it's still not stable.
Yeah, that's what. Like, if you're gonna make a like multiplayer thing,
that
you
is
need
also
at
not the
least
that is also not the
2 years
problem,
to
bro.
develop it.
See, this game is made in India, we know it for sure. It's completely
Yeah,
made in India.
yeah.
We it's impossible to tell it's not made in India because they took so much time and it's still not ready yet. And one of the main reasons why it's not ready is
It's not
because
like not only India. Like, it's normal, da.
like people are not supporting this game, bro. They're not getting enough funds. They need funds no matter what
No,
we
no.
say. The people need money to make a good game. So this game that I told you right now, Rogue,
Sure.
whatever
I
that
can't
is.
see in your window.
I'm not showing you anything, just leave that.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So this game is not ready because no one is supporting it. And here we
No.
have
And
listen. One
again,
second,
I want to say
listen.
this.
One second, listen.
Yeah.
So people are saying they are supporting 5G because it's made in India and it's a nationalism thing. Why don't these same people support a game which has been there from 2018? They are struggling
Yeah.
from that.
That's what. These stupid idiots just believe in the shared stuff.
Yeah, these people just want to go with whatever is there on the media.
See, if the pub in this China ban and stuff didn't happen, this Fauzi would have never come in light, even if they
Yeah,
made it.
it's basically planned, bro. The second PUBG is gone, a rip-off of it comes in India. This is basic India. Just make a rip-off
Yeah,
of everything.
yeah, like we are becoming like China.
Yeah, this is what I mean. Please don't support all this rip-off kind of things. There are so many unique games made in India. What is that game called?
Game, games, YouTube channels,
I think
stuff,
it's I think
servers.
it's called Roit or something. It was a really good game. It's made only for consoles and PC. The graphics, it's literally better than some games like Fortnite. And it's made by 5 people in India. That's it. 5 people. A team of 5 people made that game.
Like just ah, I hate like this stuff.
Your voice is cutting
Like
off
if
too
you are
much.
going to support it, support a good thing.
Yeah. Okay, I got
Hello?
disconnected. Okay, now I got connected. Okay, see ya.
No, like it's like what do you call this American Trump supporters.
Yeah, they just don't get it right.
Like someone says this is good, do this stuff. Yeah, okay, we will do. This is America.
No, no.
Just
Akshay
slap it like
Kumar
that.
comes out and says, I'm supporting the Prime Minister's decision and making this game. There you go. A successful game company.
No, no, no.
You don't even see
That's
how the game is, and you just.
like no, no, no. See, Trump says that Chinese are bad, Asians are also bad. Beat them up and stuff like that, nah.
Yeah,
All the time.
yeah,
Their
yeah.
supporters are like, yeah, go. So, okay, beat them. We'll beat them. And after that, like if what do you call? If that backfires,
Yeah, we just can't do anything to fix all this, can we?
yeah. And there was a meme, there
What?
was going. I saw a meme like first Trump said something like first American said like what do you call? Yeah, don't. We'll go outside. Wearing mask is my right,
Oh, yeah, what is
and
this
going
stupid?
outside is my right, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then after that, Lloyd, what do you call that? Black man got,
George Floyd.
yeah, Floyd.
Yeah.
Floyd. I don't know his name, but like after that, that administration government said, don't come out. This is a curfew. Then those same people became like, no, don't go outside. It's a curfew. You idiots and stuff. No,
Yeah.
like that will like same here also it will happen. Like some celebrity will say this is good.
Just people
Everyone is going
people
to
just
do that.
don't see the facts, bro. They just
Yeah.
don't know the game can't be developed in 2 months. A playable game like this can't be developed in 2 months. Yes, of course a game
No,
can be developed
they
in a
don't
month.
know about any development. They just think like, my uncle, my father. They think like coding is just like you just have to write some lines and just that's all. You don't have to think about any stuff. You don't. There is
show
no
them
bug.
show them my Max card. They will know it's not just writing codes.
No, like they don't think like thinking about the problem, solving it in efficient ways is not like thing.
Yeah.
You
My
just know when
headset is
you
so
get
heavy.
the question, think about it for 10 minutes, write the answer. One time, like you just have to write one time code, just fix it here and there, normal common mistakes, and that's all.
Okay, we are
That's all you need to
totally
do.
out of the topic right now.
Still, like that's how they think.
Okay, so yeah,
Games
basic.
and stuff.
So basically, people who are watching this
No.
video. Wait, Sujan, let me just tell
Hmm.
this.
Hmm.
Basically, people who are watching this video, a game can
Hmm.
be developed even in a week, but it depends on what kind of game it is. You can make a snake game
What
in
kind
just
of
two
game?
days.
How many people are there?
So technically, you can make PUBG like a ripoff of PUBG, but it will take at least 2 years, even with you have to use an open source engine like Unreal Engine 4.
Yeah, Unreal or Unity.
Yeah, but basically Unreal
Or
Engine
you
4
can,
is more widely used. PUBG is made
well,
from it.
no,
Fortnite is made from it.
like you can make any game in within a hour. Like if you are planning from like 10 years,
Have you actually
like
talking about
with
this making game?
500 people,
Wait.
everyone writing the same code,
Srujan.
some code. Uh,
Talking about games, have you seen this guy who made a Flappy Bird in Unreal Engine 4? I guess. Yeah.
yeah, RTX on rate, that ray
Yeah.
tracing and stuff.
He put
Yeah,
ray tracing in a Flappy Bird. Man is a legend, man.
yeah.
So basically, people see videos like this and think, "Ah, we can make games in a single day." No, you can't. You can't make a game in a single day. It's a Flappy
That,
Bird. It's a
like
basicest
it
game you
was the
can ever
most
make.
remade game after Minecraft, I guess.
Yeah.
Like it's so easy to make that game.
It's just people don't. Yeah, talking about RTX.
Yeah,
RTX 3000 series, our final topic.
like I just don't wanna like. I
What? Too expensive
don't
for
know
you?
about it. Huh?
Is it too expensive for you?
No, like, hey, bro, I can't even buy a like 960 or something.
Okay, yep. Don't expose yourself. People are gonna think you're way too poor. Okay, so basically, RTX 3000 series is out. Like at least it's coming.
Yeah,
A lot of YouTubers like Linus Tech Tips has already got it.
yeah, already got
So the
reviews.
price, I believe it's 699, which is fairly priced. It's not
The
too
day
expensive.
they release the stuff, the Nvidia releases the stuff, there will be a huge influx of reviews on YouTube
Yeah,
by
wait.
big YouTubers.
Is
Yeah.
Linus was the first person to get the card or what? Because I
No,
don't know.
I guess they all got the same, just the editing stuff and
Because I
that.
want Linus to be the first, He's like the IT department of the YouTube.
No, I guess just the shipping took some time.
Yeah,
Not
but
like he got the priority and stuff. Like he just showed us quickly. You
to
know
be
that
fair,
Karen
every
guy, the
YouTube.
editor for that.
Yeah.
You know how many keyboards stuff he has.
Yeah, I've seen that, yeah.
I guess he edited it like within an hour or something.
Okay, so talking about RTX 3000 series, have you seen the performance increment of it? Like compared to
Yeah,
RTX
what they showed,
2080?
that's all I saw.
So yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like
it was
much more
good.
powerful.
Yeah,
It's much more
yeah,
powerful than we thought. It's normally it's gonna be like just a 16 or 20% increase, but this time it looks like it's about a 40%, right? 40
yeah.
or 70, I'm not sure, but it's very powerful compared to the last generation. So for the price, I'm actually surprised that Nvidia actually managed to pull this off.
Yeah, the, like they were trending like every year it will be more expensive and stuff, right? Right.
Yeah.
Now it's flipped. Like you saw that Van Shaw, that
I didn't
LTT
see.
guy.
Yeah, I didn't see the specific episode that you're talking about.
No, in that they talked about like the like second hand market of graphic cards now,
Yeah,
2080 series,
yeah,
2080s and stuff.
yeah.
Before the announcement, it was like $1,000, thousand and more.
Yeah.
After that, $300. I'm not kidding, $300.
The
2080 Ti.
2080 Ti.
Yeah, Ti.
Wow, now I wish I was in America. Wow.
300, 400, like not even 500. It's not even touching 500.
What is the price of 2080 Ti used in India? Let me just check that.
It's like 1.4 lakh.
Used.
Last time I saw.
Is it
Not
used?
used. Not
Nah,
used.
I'm
Not used.
asking used one.
I didn't send it.
Let me just check that.
Why, Alexa?
Nah, I'm not sure. Wait, let eBay in quicker. Let me see in quicker. It does say refurbished. Nah,
You see
GTX.
eBay, I will see OLX.
Yeah, I found an RTX 2080 Ti Extreme for 65,000 rupees. Oh my god, that is almost $1,000. It's more expensive than a 3000 series card in
Hey,
new in
someone is
USA.
selling. I guess this is a scam, but someone is selling 2080 Ti. Wait, is this a what? What is this? Oh, oh, oh.
But the
Wait.
prices in India is not fair, man. Like an RTX
Yeah.
2080 Ti Extreme or whatever that is, 65,000 rupees, which is
No, it's
the
like
same price
no.
of 3000
It's
series
the
new
it's
3000
the
series car
tax.
in
It's the
USA.
added tax. No, it's the added tax.
No, the thing is, Nvidia is not caring about the Indian market. Not even is
Yeah.
isn't like AMD. They don't care. Even PlayStation and Xbox, they don't really give a shit to like manufacture stuff over here. That is the only way they can make these things cheaper. But they don't do it because
Like within next 10 to 20 years, I guess India is gonna be biggest market with potential.
India is already the biggest market that they can get.
With
They're
potential,
just
but we will be more apparent than like after 10 years
so
because
no.
all the
After
old fellows.
just the thing is, after 20 years, I don't think we'll be selling graphics cards and consoles. It's gonna be all online. Let's be honest. It's gonna be fully
I
on
don't think in
game
India
stream.
it will be coming that fast. Like
No,
we
it
need
will.
another Geo revolution.
No. I'm talking about after 20 years.
No, I don't think it will come. Like you
Nah,
know how
come on.
much
It's no. It's
infrastructure we
definitely
need to
it's
for
definitely come.
Wi-Fi,
See,
broadband.
just 10 years ago, internet was so slow. In India, barely any people had internet. I was one of the first people
Oh,
to have
no,
internet
no,
in
no,
my
no, no.
place.
Don't look 10 years back. Don't look 10, 20 years back.
Then
Look just 5 years back, I guess.
exactly, India is
Before
growing
Geo.
so fast. So in 20 years, we are definitely gonna have everything to play streaming games online.
No, no, I don't think we will be getting the broadband connections.
Ah, we'll definitely be getting. Come on.
No, in cities, yes. But in towns, villages, no.
Towns, villages,
Not
no
for
countries get them. Man, it's just common in everywhere. It's not gonna. It's not. Yeah,
no,
even in USA, if you just go to a countryside, you're not
80.
gonna get full 5G speeds. No, you're not gonna get that. It's just common thing in every country. It's just not just India.
Yeah.
But I'm talking about cities here. In 20 years, definitely people who are gonna play games, they're gonna definitely gonna be streaming. PS6 and all the things will be old. Nobody's gonna use consoles and PCs at that time for gaming. I'm very sure of that.
I'm skeptical about it. Like, uh,
See, like Xbox is already prepared. Like, what is that extra Xbox streaming service? I forgot the name of it. Yeah, Great Gamer. Yeah, I just
yeah,
forgot that.
Xbox Pass or something, right?
No,
Game
that is
Pass.
Game Pass is like a free game, like free games every month for a subscription or
Oh,
something like that. That is different. This game, there is a game streaming service just like Netflix. You know,
yeah,
you just place like give money and you can play any game you want without paying any extra.
yeah.
You can play
Like,
it in your PC, you can play it in your phone, you can play it in your, I don't know,
yeah, yeah.
TV, anything. Like, you just need a good internet connection. That's all you need. Google Stadia tried this, but they failed because obviously Google is not known for gaming. They are just Android gaming, which is
Um,
Android gaming is
like,
shit.
first you need infrastructure for that broadband. Like, more than like 30% at least. At least 30% of a country should be on high bandwidth internet. Then only it will come.
But in India, you see the thing is India is not a like hugely developed country. So the thing is, if
We
no matter
need another geo like revolution in broadband.
now that's another thing. See, even though India has a lot of population, the
Yeah,
amount of
most of
people who use high-end stuff is pretty much the same as US. You know,
no less I guess.
no, it's pretty much the same because we have higher population than them.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
compared to the population, our our population, there is very few people who actually use internet and all these stuff. But because our population is high, these few people are same as the other countries.
Nothing. It's like nothing.
Yeah, like other countries, a lot of people use it, but it's just equal amount of people are using. That is the only
Mm.
problem. So if these poor people, if they can afford these kind of things, India will boom. Like every
Yeah.
companies will make a product over here. For
Yeah.
example, Tesla. You see Tesla right now. They don't enter this market because they don't feel like people will buy Teslas because they are expensive. Yes, of course they
No,
are right.
not only expensive. Like no, it's not only expensive, but you need infrastructure, na. It will be very costly to introduce that.
Not only
And the
that,
mindset of people, it will be very difficult to change.
in you have seen this Tesla charging stations in US, right?
Yeah.
Where
Hmm.
do you think they can keep the charging stations in India? First of all, there is
Yeah.
no proper parking at all. Wherever you go, you
There's no
just
charging.
that is the
Charging like
thing.
no, sorry,
You
chain stuff.
you can't even
Chain
stop
restaurant.
a car in a proper place in India. You can't build charging stations over here. So that is the biggest problem. But that is not the thing. That is not the reason why Tesla is not coming here. They can do it. But the problem is they
Hmm.
just don't see the market. They
Yeah.
think people won't buy their cars, which is false. I think a lot of people will be buying Teslas. Like
Yeah, at least for that brand they will buy.
yeah, because if they sell Teslas over here, they 100% have to make a partnership with an Indian company or anything and make the cars
Yeah.
over here, which is yes, it is gonna make it a little bit more expensive than expected, but still there is a market over here. There are people who are willing to buy an electric cars. Yes, Tata is making a electric vehicle, yes, but the thing is it's not giving as much as range as a Tesla would give, and a performance wise also it's nothing compared to a Tesla. Yes, Tata makes a good cars, like you have seen the Nexon and all. These are really good cars.
Bro, but like redesign the cars na for Indian purpose.
You mean the Tesla special edition for India?
Yeah, like Indian version only because we have that we don't have real roads like normal roads in rural areas and stuff.
See, the
We
thing
don't have
is,
good roads there.
yeah, but they can. But the thing is, if they
Yeah.
modify the car, it's
Hmm.
basically gonna become another Indian car, just like the Nexon or any other
Yeah,
car
they
in
can
India.
just rebrand it.
Then what's the point
Tesla,
in
but for
putting?
Indians.
Then what's the point in bringing Tesla here? It's just gonna be another Indian brand.
But they will own the like stuff na.
They will own, but the thing is, if they just make this normal cars, it's just gonna be boring. Then the branding of the cars will be gone. It's like if you think,
Tesla.
no,
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 no.
no, no.
Imagine if Lamborghini makes a car for 8 lakhs. Will that be good for
Hmm.
their branding?
No.
Exactly. That is what is gonna happen. They
No,
have to make.
I'm not telling them to like make it for cheap.
Yeah,
I'm telling that suspensions and stuff. Suspensions, the hard, rough usage, rough
bro.
roads.
Teslas are more than strong enough to handle all this. Come on.
No, like in foreigns, they have like less bumps. They have more scientific bumps or something like that. I don't know.
Then what about
You just
the
throw
Europe?
some.
What do you think about Europe?
Yeah, I don't know.
Paris and stuff, they look like very rich countries. But Paris and all, I mean, Spain is not
Yeah,
a
yeah. I heard like there are like lots of economical shit people do.
exactly. The roads are so small. Amsterdam, a country where people drive cycles. Tesla that is there in such a country. Roads are not going to be good for Teslas over there because there are tiny roads made for cyclists.
No,
Most
no, they are not made for cyclists. It was made in like past centuries.
But the thing is, most of the cities' roads are small because of that. They can't just break a building and make
They
a
were
huge
not
road, can they?
designed now. They were not designed now. So it was like way back when they were like small city over there.
I know, but the roads are
Some
still small, right?
yeah,
Exactly.
they can't widen it anyway
Yeah, Tesla is existing in such a places. Why not India?
because they don't have infrastructure to host them.
See, the thing is,
Like
Tesla could have come to India. The problem was when the Prime Minister of India met Elon Musk.
Yeah. No. I don't know. I don't know that. I just
So
left
basically,
that Modi.
so basically the thing was they were going to make a deal to bring Tesla to
Mm.
India,
Mm.
and what the prime minister did was he tried to force the Tesla to make a joint venture with some local company somewhere in India.
Yeah.
You know that is not going to be a good idea, right? Because Tesla is a completely different company, like fully
No,
electric.
like
You
I can
give such
understand
things
if like
to give a small company
I,
like in
no like
India.
I can understand if that local company is ready to give that Tesla their infrastructure to build that stuff.
Yeah, the thing is,
Yeah,
Tesla
like
is
like
so
Tesla,
ahead, you know,
like
like
if it's like that Tesla is like giving the technology designs and stuff, and this company is like, yeah, okay, we'll make them.
they're not going to make it well.
Yeah, then okay, but I guess that the Modi is like telling you have to invest in this company, you have to make the infrastructure yourself and stuff like that.
See, the
I'm
best example
100%
for
sure it's
this,
like that.
the best example for this is Maruti Suzuki.
Yeah.
Have you seen Suzuki cars in abroad countries?
No.
See, just search for Suzuki Swift Sport, like the latest one. Just search
Shit.
for it.
Suzuki Shift.
Shift Sport. Why is my web keep on going to Bing? Okay, it's fine. Let me
Shift.
just use.
Which country?
You see how good this car is?
No, which country?
This car exists in
No. It's in mine is in Indian region.
Suzuki Swift Sport. Just put the Sport.
Sport.
You put the Sport,
Sport.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, then pretty much it's not an Indian car.
Yeah.
So this car pretty much exists in every country that Suzuki exists except for India. You know why is that?
Indian laws.
It's not the Indian laws. It's because Maruti, the company which is making cars in India for Suzuki,
Yeah.
they don't see the potential market for this. They're saying that people won't buy such a car. And see how good this car looks. It's pretty much it's a Shift with a bumped up looks.
Yeah.
They could easily add another different engine in this and sell this. They can easily put the sport engine in this, but they're not doing it because they can make money out of the old engine, the K12 engine or whatever
Bro,
the
like
engine that they're using in this.
that you were saying that Tesla and stuff, right?
Yeah, so Tesla, if they
No,
have to make car,
like
yeah,
I have a proposition. Like both happy will be, both party will be happy.
what is it?
Like Tesla will like give the everything like production contract to this company. They will make it. That's all.
See,
No more stuff. They don't have any say in any other thing.
no, that is
Only
not how
Tesla
this
is like,
works. No, that is not how this works, Rajan. So the thing is, in Indian market, now see, now you see Maruti Suzuki, right? You know why it's called
yeah,
Maruti Suzuki and not just Suzuki?
because Maruti owns some shares, I guess. No,
Eh,
sorry. They both have to like merge together.
that is not the thing. The first thing that you told is actually right. Maruti actually owns a part of Suzuki in India.
Yeah.
So whatever Suzuki does, they should
Yeah.
just give it to Maruti, and Maruti will make the decisions on what they should sell and what they don't. Now, basically, our prime minister wanted the same thing to happen to Tesla. So Tesla, if they
That's
do the
not gonna
same thing,
happen. Like,
Tesla,
why would they give the administration stuff to some other
listen,
company?
listen, listen. If Tesla does the same to some random company in India, they're obviously gonna use the old motors that Tesla made in like what? Tesla Model S, like old 2012 motors.
Keep the same price of from American stuff.
Yeah, no matter how much new models come, they're gonna sell with old model stuff, whatever is there. That is how the market works in India because they can make money out of things like this. Why sell new stuff when they can make money of
Yeah.
old stuff? That is what is going to happen with Tesla also. That is the main reason I think Tesla is not willing to make it happen
They
for their
have to sell
company.
some shares to the company, na. That is also a big problem for them. Like they don't have the power to like say this is wrong.
Yeah,
You can't
exactly.
do this.
They're going to
We
lose their
have to do
creative
this.
freedom.
Yeah.
And they can't leave also once they don't like.
Yeah.
Because if they
And
leave, they have to give part of their company's like
yeah.
trademarks and stuff. Then it's just a big headache for Elon Musk. I don't think he'll.
No,
I don't see
like
Tesla coming here.
I want like in India there should be a law passed like foreign companies can like make a contract with the local companies.
Hmm.
Local companies will manufacture,
Yeah.
and that's all. They will not touch anything. They are just a manufacturing unit.
Yeah, they could do that, but the thing is, they just don't.
Like it's way better, na.
Yeah, that is a way better
Indians
idea.
will get jobs.
Yeah.
Indians will get jobs. Everything will be made in India. We will get foreign stuff
Yeah.
cheaply,
Mm.
and foreign companies will also invest in us. Everyone
Yeah.
happy.
So we just went inside a topic that was not even in the script. You know that?
This podcast, the spirit of podcast,
Yeah, this podcast. I'm
Just
pretty sure
like
this
talk random
podcast has
shit.
went more than an hour.
Yeah.
So shall we end it over here because I think it's way past an hour. I think we have been doing this from 1.5 hours. That is a lot.
I don't know. I don't know.
I have to edit this. You know that, right?
Yeah, you have to edit, not me.
Oh no. Ah, why don't I have it?
What is there to edit for you?
Dude, I have to go inside everything and cut out all that things where my camera cut out and you leaving. I have to cut that all out, right? It's very hard to search this. Okay, let's just end this video over here, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this podcast, we will be doing more. Even if you don't like, we will be doing more this because this
No one
this
no
is
one will
my
know.
channel. This is my channel. I will post whatever I want. So
Yeah, and I will post the same stuff on my channel. So check it out.
Oh yeah, technically yes. And yeah, people who don't know this same video that you're watching right now, if you're watching still here, I really appreciate if you watch this whole video. So yeah, this video is going to be in my channel, which you are going to be watching. It's also
I
going to
will
be in my
just
friends like Srujan's channel, which this part will be definitely cut out. So yeah, it
No,
will be
no, no,
nice.
no.
Subscribe to him. Links will be in the description. I will try to put it in the description once he uploads it. So yeah,
No, like it will be like after 5 or 6 days after this video comes out because I have to rip this shit out of the YouTube.
yeah. Basically, when he uploads the video, I will definitely put it in my description. Check it out. Subscribe to him. Support my
If I'm
guy.
feeling it, if I'm feeling it, or else no.
That is left to you. Our contract was we make a video and you post it later. And yeah, my video is done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.
Bye.
Peace. Bye.